I'm starting the first sculpture from the free materials I found yesterday. This is the hot plate from the barbecue. It was an electric barbecue. And trying to get some painting on this. This is gonna be in a base 4x4, and it's going to have a 3D printing of Lady in Yellow. This one right here. I think the base I'm gonna paint it blue. We'll see what happens. Recycling is so important in our area. There's so much trash everywhere now, and so these type of sculptures, I would like to bring them to schools and talk about the importance of properly discard all the stuff that we don't need anymore. And sometimes when you create an art piece, the message is easier because students and young kids understand the possibilities of reusing materials, give them another life. Okay, this is the first coat. It's gonna get at least 3 more.